So evaluation scheme, and after that we have course contents talking about LMS, and then the lecture slides and lab reports are of course already available, will be made available earlier to the planned course. Now coming to our lecture from where we discontinued. So as a programmer, it is very vital for us to know that it is not about editing and executing a program. While sitting on our editor and writing our code, as we have done started in the last sessions, we are editing it over here and we feel like we are executing. But it is not the case. Actually, every C++ program goes through these basic phases. Every program goes through these phases, and then at the end we have the execution phase. So one by one, editing is the editor. The program loads from the memory, hard disk drive, into the editor, and you make editing and make the program error-free, typically syntax-wise, with of course sound semantics. Preprocessors, the things which we want to add in our program, make part of our program. The things which we were discussing earlier as well are the ones are called preprocessor directives. Marker. Just forgot it. किसी भी क्लास का होने से ठीक है. So preprocessor directives are the one, ठीक है, जिसमें आप उसको अब किसी भी चीज को अपने प्रोग्राम का पार्ट बनाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू वांट टू इंक्लूड मैथ्स लाइब्रेरी पार्ट ऑफ योर प्रोग्राम. अब मैथ्स लाइब्रेरी के अंदर वी हैव डिफरेंट फंक्शन, कोसाइन, साइन, टेंजेंट. तो वी जस्ट राइट द प्रोग्राम विद specific syntax, and that library becomes part of our program. Those are called preprocessor directives. After preprocessor directives comes the next phase, compilation. Now compilation, what compilation do? Creates object code. A few slides back we have discussed compiler. What was the compiler? Translator program, which converts overwritten program to machine language and ultimately to 1 and 0. So जो 1 and 0 की फाइल है, that is object code. तो अब हमें formally ये चीज पता लग गई है that the file for 1 and 0 is called the object code. So first of all हम प्रोग्राम को एडिट करेंगे just like this. वन बाय वन इंस्ट्रक्शन लिखेंगे. देन कम प्री प्रोसेसिंग. किसी फाइल को अपने प्रोग्राम का पार्ट बनाना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैथ्स लेस देन ग्रेटर with the hash sign. This is the part of syntax of the program. Part of syntax. These are the preprocessor directives: hash, include, and within less than and greater than sign we have that file. You can name any file over here. Normally this file has extension .h. At times it depends upon the compiler variant. It is accepting a file with the .h extension or without a .h extension. This is how pre-processing is being done. Then comes compilation. Overwritten code is being compiled and translated to 1 and 0s as object code. Then comes linker, which actually links the things up, links the header files with our program. That's shown over here. Linker links to object code with the libraries. Then comes loader. It gets the program from the hard drive and loads it into the RAM. And then ultimately comes execution, by the central processing unit could be updating the new values, just like C equals to A plus B. We have a value, and update it. Now C has the new value. So these things are being done by CPU. So these are those phases by which every program passes through.